Thank you. Audrey. Thank you. Can you say please?
Up.
Can you say milk?
Milk.
Can you say water?
Water.
Can you say more?
Mom.
Can you say ball?
Ba.
Can you say tree?
Da.
Can you say swing?
Ring.
No, swing.
Ring.
Good girl. Can you say sorry? Can you say eat? Ball.
Ba.
Can you say eat? Audrey. Can you say eat? Eat. Can you say bear?
Bear.
Bear.
Ba.
Can you say shoes?
Yes.
Can you say book? Can you say book?
Duck.
Can you say help? Help?